Hello and welcome back to IXL tutorials. This is Mr. Duffick, and today we are doing IXL N7, which is proving a quadrilateral is a parallelogram. Okay, so this is a nice continuation from N6 that has you dealing with a little bit more concept than actually practice when it comes to what the angles are supposed to add up to and all that stuff for parallelograms. Okay, so what's going to carry you most of the way through this IXL is knowing that our parallelograms have two opposite sides that are going to be parallel, two sets of opposite sides, right? These two are going to be parallel and these two are going to be parallel. And therefore, the opposite angles here are going to be the same. Same deal with over here. And also, these two angles, or these two angles, two adjacent angles, right? Two angles that are next to each other, they're going to add up to 180 degrees. They have to add up to 180 degrees, so the other two can add up to 180 degrees. So all four of them are going to add up to 360. Okay, so can you show that this quadrilateral is a parallelogram? Well, 70 plus 113 is 183. It is not 180, so it is not going to be a parallelogram. Next. So 69 plus 111 is 180 degrees. Plus the opposite side is 69, so perfect. This can be proven as a parallelogram because this one has to be 111 then. Can you show that this quadrilateral is a parallelogram? 66 plus 113 is not 180 degrees, so no. And 52 plus 128 is 180 degrees, and the opposite is 52, so that works out, yes. Okay. Can you show that this quadrilateral is a parallelogram? Well, in theory, where they intersect here should be kind of the midpoint between these diagonals here. So instead of 19 and 21, it should be 20 and 20, and then 20 and 20. So I'm going to say no for this, because what happens is that means a side like this is going to be shorter than a side like this, or maybe like this. So no. Can you show that this quadrilateral is a parallelogram? 28, 28, 38, and 38. That is going to be good enough for me, yes. 18, 18, 18, 18, yes. 144 and 46, definitely not. No, I mean, it doesn't even look parallel, right? 54 and 60. So this is going to be a no because, one, these have to be the same. And the reason why that is if this is shorter than this side, which it is, that means these are going to be slanting in different directions. So this is going to be slanting toward the 54. And this is also going to be slanted toward the 54. So this is kind of a negative slope. And this is kind of a, would be more of a positive slope, even though it's still negative. So these cannot be parallel right here if they're different lengths. So definitely not. Can you show that this quadrilateral is a parallelogram? No, because even though these two are going to be the same, it doesn't mean these two are going to be the same. In fact, this is a kite, is what it looks like to me, which means these two do not have to be the same. So no. Can you show that this quadrilateral is a parallelogram? Same, 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 and same. Yes. Okay, these are going to be the same size, or same length right here, and it looks like they are parallel, so can we confirm these two are going to be parallel as well? That's going to be a yes. Okay, can you show that this quadrilateral is a parallelogram? No. Where the diagonals intersect, it has to be kind of the midpoint. So these are going to be two equal halves, and this one is one tick mark, this one is two tick marks. They have to be the same amount. Same thing for here, they have to be the same amount of tick marks, so that's going to be a no. 68, 68, and the little arrows indicate they're parallel, yes. Tick mark, tick mark, tick mark, tick mark, yes. We have 1, 1, 2, 2, so that should be good. Okay, so you get the idea. We're pretty much to the end here. And then once you get to the very end, you just have to find missing variables. So here you know that CF and DE are going to be the same, so you just set them equal to each other. 2A equals A plus 37, solve for A, and that's going to be your answer there. Okay, and same deal here. They want you to find b. You know that 5b plus 8 has to equal b plus 20, so you can set them equal to each other. Or you can do 5b is equal to b plus 12, set those equal to each other, and then solve for b. I can do this one real quick, just to show you, just in case you're fuzzy on the algebra. Okay, so again, we know the opposite sides have to be the same, so we'll do 5b equals b plus 12. We'll combine like terms here, subtracting b from both sides, so we're left with 4b equals 12. Divide for both sides, we have b equals 3. Okay, so b equals 3, and that's it. And you could have done the other two sides as well, set them equal to each other, it doesn't matter. Okay, and 3. Okay, so that's where I'm going to end the video. Take care, stay safe, study hard, and I will catch you for the next IXL tutorial video. Goodbye.